A company that participates in the foreign exchange market as a market maker is known as a forex broker or liquidity provider. In this video, I'm going to share what a liquidity provider is and how they make money. Hey, it's Frank Nagy and welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial markets. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and click that like button. In the forex market, being a market maker entails acting as both a buyer and a seller of a specific currency pair. Although a market maker is often thought of as a liquidity provider, there are different types of forex market players who also contribute to the market liquidity by raising the volume of transactions. They include businesses, individual traders, and governments, and so on. And by taking positions in currency pairs that can either be offset with another market maker or added to the market maker's book to be liquidated later date, the forex broker's job is to increase price stability. If the broker chooses to function as a liquidity provider, hiring experienced prop firm consultant like Frank Nagy Financial Services will help greatly reduce the burden of setting up your prop firm. And a good consultant will help you choose the right forex broker liquidity provider as well as other service providers. To execute trades online, forex brokers typically use an ECN or STP network. ECN is an abbreviation for Electronic Communications Network, and STP is an abbreviation for straight-through processing. Other brokers operate on a no-dealing desk basis, which simply means that all their transactions are routed directly to Tier 1 or the secondary liquidity market. A forex broker who runs a dealing desk serves as liquidity providers by allowing their prop firm clients to buy and sell on their system, on their books, with the broker taking the other side of the transaction and hedging any excessive risk with professional counterparties as is needed. When a broker connects to an ECN, these bridges are typically set up so that they can choose which orders can be processed by the ECN, while orders from non-profitable traders may be routed to a B book or held on the broker's accounting books. To learn more about A and B book order management, check out my video on risk management techniques used by prop firms. I put on the link in the description box below. When choosing the right forex brokerage liquidity provider, look for the following services: white label solutions, back office solutions, statement reporting, connectivity to MT4 and MT5, 24-hour support, and master sub-account management. Hey, if you're thinking about starting your own forex prop firm or hedge fund, I recommend my book bundle, The Ultimate Prop Firm Guide and The Ultimate Hedge Fund Guide. Click on the link below in the description box.